Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the ADIDAS ADIFOM TRXN. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you, and let's go. So today we've got to look at the ADIFOM TRXN. I hope that's how you pronounce it. In reality, it is called TRXN. But if anyone knows how to correctly pronounce this sneaker, let us know in the comment section below. I'm just saying it as though it's one word and it sounds like traction, and that's just me saying some stuff. So today we've got a look at the ADIFOM TRXN in a cool black full white colorway, and we got this in the UK size 8, it's European 42, and it's US 8.5. So the first thing I have to say, let me quickly open this actually again. So I have opened the box. This is not the first time that I've unboxed this, unfortunately. The first thing I have to talk to you guys about is the smell. Now you guys obviously can't see it, but you have to trust me with this. It smells very nice actually, because you're so used to smelling some sneakers and it smells like some weird chemicals, the glue or whatever the upper's made out of. But I don't know, I think it is the foam that the sneaker is made out of, but it smells very floral. It's a nice scent to it. You have to trust me. I mean, it's an experience in and of itself. It's an experience alone that this sneaker smells really nice. With all that said, let's start with all the details, and we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is essentially an all foam outsole, the ADIFOM, and you can see a bit of the traction patterning right there for you, and you can see this window, little window here in the black foam as well. You can see the ADIDAS TRXN logo, and essentially it continues all the way into the midsole. So this whole sole unit is a foam. It's very lightweight, which is great to have in all your sneakers. And I just want to point out, we'll move on to the inner. So if we look into the inside, it essentially is a sock liner that's stitched on to the sole unit. So you can see the stitching details if you look at the inside of the sneaker itself. Whilst we're looking at the insides, we can look at the type of foam. So essentially, because it is sewed onto the foam, there's a bit of dual density foam action going on here. So if you look at the black part of the insole, it's a more softer sole, and the white part there, it just seems like it's a bit knitted, but that's just there for the decoration. And it says ADIDAS, and you've got the TRXN or TRXN logo, and it says the brand with 3 stripes. Moving on onto the main body of the sneaker. So again, as I mentioned before, this essentially is a sock liner that is stitched onto the sole unit of the sneaker. But again, very lightweight. It's made out of this neoprene material right there for you, so it can kind of stretch to the size of your feet. And again, it's all synthetic materials. If you look at the ankle supports, very nicely padded. Look at the heel, padded with the ADIDAS logo, and you got a similar neoprene material being used on the tongue here. It's very soft, very comfortable. I can tell by that by just feeling the sneaker itself. It's a quick lace system. You got some round laces, and you got the ADIDAS logo printed on the tongue right there for you. So really excited to try these on. Smells great. You have to trust me on that, and we love a pair of ADIDAS here at Oneupreviewz. So if anyone from ADIDAS is watching, and we know that you are, help us out, throw some stuff for us to review, and we can help you guys out. So with all that said, I'm going to run up some footage of me trying these ADIFOM TRXN on for you. it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a half size down to what you usually wear for Adi. I am usually UK size 8 when it comes for Adidas footwear, but I feel like there's a little bit of space where you can kind of see my toes being raised, but I feel like it's a little bit of space. But other than that, these are very comfortable on with that foams. Gives me a little bit of height, you know. I'm here with one of those short kings. Shout out to the short kings out there. It's gonna make you feel 6-foot equivalent. But other than that, they're very comfortable on. It's a very unique design. Reminds me of the Adidas Ultra Boost. Remember those? We love to Ultra Boost here at Oneupreviewz. But that rounds it off. For those wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of Uniqlo cargo joggers in the black colorway. At the time of this recording, I think it's still available on the Uniqlo website. Do check that out. This is not a sponsored ad from Uniqlo, but if anyone from Uniqlo is watching, and we know that you are, throw some joggers at your boy. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz for the Z at the end. Until next time, peace.